everyone. Today I'm going to try a bloom. I'm going to try and do it with you while talking. It's going to be difficult because I really need to concentrate with this, but we're going to just give it a go. So I'm going to start off with my base, my pillow. Now excuse my hands, they're full of paint because I've just been mixing my paints for my acrylic pours. Okay, so there is the pillow. Now I just want to do that, and then I'm just going to wet the tile. Just like that. Okay, right, let's put some colors down. I'll start with this blue. On top of that, I'll put some of this turquoise. On top of that, I'll put some of this green. On top of that, I'll put some of this blue. On top of that, I'll put some of this neon pink. Okay, and then I want to try a different cell activator. It's Amsterdam, but it's like a yellowish color. I don't know, we're just going to give it a go. So cell activator down. Let's try and blow this and hopefully it works. Okay, it did make cells, which is a good thing. I just want to okay, not sure. Let's just spin it and see what we get. Just bring it down a little bit. It is different. I do have lacing. mean, it's not bad. So let me get another towel. We'll try this again. Hold on a sec. That one does look a lot better. There's a lot of cells all over the place. Look at that one. Oops, sorry. So that one looks better. Okay. Oh, there's paint on my straw. There. Just to help it get that side. Bring it down a touch. Oops. Right, let's spin this one. Oops, it's sliding. Let's see if I can tilt it. See if I can tilt it down rather. Much better lacing on this one. Look at that. Gorgeous. Let's try spin it again now. Don't do that. It is moving. It is nearly there. It's so messy, this technique. Look at it. I mean, there's just paint everywhere. Anyway, if I can just... Oh my goodness, it's so close. Look at that. So close. Oh, I've just got to try and get it all over the edge there. Can you see if it's moving? Because I can't. Wow, this one is so pretty. Just look at it. I think this is the best one I've done so far. Look at that lacing. Oh, you know, I don't have all day. I'm destroying the lacing with trying to get it over there. Okay, oh, oops. I really like that, but sadly I couldn't get the paint over that last corner. Anyway, all right. Oh, what a mess, look at it. Look, I'm very happy with it. I'm going to leave it to dry. Today I really actually was just testing the cell activator because I haven't tried this exact one, which is a different Amsterdam color. I've only tried the black and white Amsterdam paints. So I thought, well, you know, would the colors work? Because I've got a couple Amsterdam colors. Would they work? And I wasn't sure. So I just mixed them up, and today was just to test them. So I'm glad to see they do actually work. And I'll definitely be doing more of these. Because really pretty, look at that. And I've got a couple other colors, Amsterdam colors, that I'm going to mix up also for cell activators, and we'll do a whole bunch of them in different colors. So yeah, that'll be really cool. Okay, so all right, yeah, I'm happy with it. So pretty up here, look at this. Isn't that gorgeous? Unfortunately, it lost a lot of the shape of the lacing with me trying to get the paint over this edge. But really so pretty. So I'm definitely gonna try this again, you know, with this Amsterdam cell activator. Right, I have been in the caravan for long enough. I have made enough of a mess in here. I am going inside, clean up, edit the videos, and then, yeah, try and enjoy the rest of my Sunday. Everybody, thanks for watching. Have a great day further, and don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to follow along. Please give the video a thumbs up if you think I'm getting closer. I think I've got it. I mean, that's it, right? We'll keep going. We'll keep practicing. We'll try and keep trying different colors, you know. We're going to make some really pretty blooms. Just you wait and see. Right, everyone, let me go. Enjoy your day. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like the video. Don't forget to share the video with your friends. And I'll see you next time. Bye.